Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will give a lecture on measurement of height in the application of surveying. Today we will be discussing on the calculation principle of height measurement and the determination of height difference. Before calculating an elevation, we first need a datum or an elevation base point. There are two types of datum or elevation base point that can be used. There are the sea water level and a benchmark point. A benchmark point is a point that is already registered that has a specific coordinate and also an elevation. For example, this point on the presentation. It is a benchmark point located in Diponegoro University, registered as point GD01, which has both the coordinate of x and y, and also an elevation, and its status is still available. There are several types of height measurement methods. There are the barometric leveling, which uses barometer or altimeter as height determination. The result received is usually still rough and primarily used for preliminary survey. The next is trigonometric leveling, which can use a theodolite to measure the vertical angles. The calculation is determined by trigonometric function after the data of measured distance and angle are available. Next is the spirit leveling. This can be used by a water pass to measure the elevation reading. The elevation is determined from the height difference of base point and the horizontal line. In this session, only spirit leveling will be further discussed. Spirit leveling is usually used in designing a highway project, railway project, irrigation, airfield project, and etc. It can also be used to determine the cross-section and long section of a project axis to calculate the volume of cut and fill of the project. The end drawing of a spirit leveling activity is to produce a long section and a cross-section drawings. A long section has the same direction as the project's axis, where the x-axis is usually a different scale with the y-axis. A cross-section is perpendicular to the project's axis, and it's drawn with a certain interval. The x and y axis of the cross-section usually has the same scale. In calculating an elevation using spirit leveling method, the concept is to determine the height difference between two elevation points. For example, in this drawing, a water pass is located between point A and point B. The elevation of point A is known. It reads a height of r from point A and a height of v from point B. Therefore, to calculate the elevation of B from elevation A is elevation B equals to elevation A plus r minus v. Let's try giving numbers to the example. Given that r is 1.55 meter, v is 0.23 meter, and the elevation of A is 50.25 meter, and we want to find the elevation of B. Therefore, elevation B equals to elevation A plus r minus v, which gives the answer of 51.57 meter. For this case, a water pass is located on a point A, where the elevation is already known. The height of water pass is also known. It reads the height of V from point B. Therefore, elevation B is equal to elevation A plus J minus V. For this case, a water pass is located behind 2 points, and the elevation of point A is known. It reaches a height of R from point A and a height of V from point B. Therefore, elevation B is equal to elevation A plus R minus V. Well, that is all for the session. Until we meet again in the next session. Thank you.